Hi, I'm Garrett with Pit Boss Grills, and today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble the tailgater. First, I'm going to take everything out of the box and lay it out. Alright, I've got everything laid out here. I've checked the owner's manual to make sure that I have all the pieces. Now the first step is to fold out the legs. And to do that, you want to lay the grill on its back on a piece of cardboard. Grab firmly by the bar. You do the same on the other side. Mount the wheels, take the axle pin and put it through the wheel. And the leg, put on the washer and the cotter pin. Put the grill in the upright position and install the lid stopper. Next, install the feed system by simply sliding this in and installing the 4 screws. Connect the 2 probe wires on the back of the hopper. Now I'm putting on the lid handle. And now the side handle. Dome thermometer. Install the wire casing and the power cord bracket. Slide in the drop chute plate. Hang the grease bucket. Install the flame broiler. And the cooking grids. Set the dial to smoke and press the on button. The first time you use it, you're going to want to add a handful of pellets to the fire pot. Within a few minutes, the fire will start. Set the dial to your desired cooking temperature and you're set to grill.